this is Heather from HeatherBCo. I wanted to go ahead and do the unboxing of the November Simply Gilded sub box. This one is called Fawned Memories, and instead of a box this month, it comes in this cute little bag. I'm going to go ahead and open it real quick and pull this stuff out. Let's see. Okay, so I have a couple of things inside, but I wanted to kind of go through the bag first. So the bag is definitely a new addition to the sub box instead of the box. I actually really love this bag. I love the print. The fabric is a nice fabric. It's got a nice drawstring. I actually think that I'm going to put my name or maybe initials down here at the bottom and kind of use this bag as a cover for the current planner that I'm using. So there we go with the bag. Okay, so inside of the bag, we got these two items, and there's lots of goodies inside both items. I do want to let you know that I will be spoiling the mystery item in this video. I will give you plenty enough time to click out before I do show you the mystery item, but I did want to let you know that I will be showing it in this video. I checked with Irene and she said it was fine, just as long as I let everyone know that it is a spoiler. So let's go ahead and get started with everything. Okay, so I'm gonna go in the order of the menu card that comes in the kit. The first item up is the foil journaling card. And so this is the journaling card that we got this month, which is absolutely gorgeous. It's the Fawned pattern. The heart is kind of reminiscent of some antlers. You have Simply Gilded here at the bottom in gold foil. The back, of course, is just plain white. But yeah, this is the journaling card. This is actually one of my favorite kits from all the kits that she's done. I know we say that every month, but I think this one is probably my absolute favorite of all of them so far. Okay, next on the menu card is the washi tapes, and the washi tapes actually came in this zipper pouch, so I'm going to pull them out real quick. I'll go over the pouch in a minute. But the washi come in this cute little resealable bag. I have already opened everything. I had actually filmed this earlier, and somehow I accidentally deleted everything. So I'm having to redo it. So everything's already open, but I did put the washi back in the bag. Okay, so let me separate and get this going. Okay, so here are all of the washi that come in the actual kit. This is just the regular sub box without the 5mm, as you can see them. So we have this one that is the gingham plaid with the gold bows, and this one is the one that's kind of textured. We have the scallop 5mm. We have the 15 and 10mm pink with the gold bows and the gold dots. We have the 10mm floral. It's a real dainty floral in the background with all of the words. And then, of course, we have the fawn pattern with the simple bow line in gold. If you get the 5mm add-on, this is the add-on washi. So you get the fawn in the 5mm bows. You get the heart and vine in the pink with the gold foiling. You get the gingham plaid with hearts in gold foiling. And you also get this one, oh, here we go, is the gold and kind of that teal color line. So let me show you all of them, and I will show you swatches as well, but let me show you all of them together. Here we go. Okay, so here's all the washi that you get in the whole kit if you subscribe to the add-on 5mm I believe it's $6 extra to get those. And then let me show them to you swatched. Let's see. Grab my swatch book real quick. Okay, so I have so many things I need to still label in my book. Okay, so here is everything swatched out. And let me give you some close-ups. Here we go. Okay. So there's close-ups of all the washi. Trying to get where, there we go, where the light kind of hits the foil. A little bit closer up. Because I know sometimes I like to see it swatched because sometimes it looks a little bit different swatched than it does on the roll. So yeah, that was the washi for this month. Next on the menu card is the deluxe storage pouch. So that is this, and all the washi came in this pouch this month. So let me zip it back up so you can kind of see the full effect. So it's this nice neutral blushy pink with gold hardware. It's got a pocket on the front, and then it zips around. It's almost like a travel makeup case. So when you open it up, it's this nice pink dotted interior. You've got this pocket with a see-through heart right here. You've got two pockets right here. You actually have two inserts that go in that can actually come out of it. So they just snap in, and the first one is this nice little clear pouch that you can just keep whatever in. And the next one is a pen holder. So they just snap in really, really easy. Let's see, you could do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pens on each side, so you can carry lots of pens with you. And if you wanted to use it without the snap-in inserts, you have plenty of room for lots of goodies. I mean, you could use this for travel, for planner supplies. You could use it for just about anything. I mean, this would be a great little general travel bag, you know, just to throw in your suitcase. Okay, so, and then of course the back is the same print. And there's the width. I will kind of show you the size of it in just a second. Okay, so the next item is the pouch that it came in. Deluxe sticker kit and bonus. So not only did we get the sticker kit like we usually do with all of the, you know, the bow seals and, you know, all the little extras, but we actually got some bonus stickers this month. But let's go ahead and go through the kit first. Okay, so it's always, you know, the regular 2-page kit, and you have 2 sets of date covers. You've got all of your full boxes, headers. You've got some circle icons, some flag icons, some deco headers. Here's some titled headers, I guess, some little bows down here. And then in addition to the 2 kits, or the 2 sheets that you normally get, we always get this third mini sheet right here that has an extra box, some half boxes, some checklist, and a little bit more deco. We got the date dots or date hearts that is in a gold foil. It's on a pink background with white dots. So they have a month's worth of dots, 1 through 31, and then they do have some icons down here at the bottom. We got some icons. These are pink with white. It is not foiled, but very pretty nonetheless. Here are the bow seals, which again, this is why this is my favorite kit, because look how beautiful those are. And then we ended up getting 2 extra sheets of stickers. That is, they're full boxes, but they are her journaling cards from the past that she has sent out. So They are stickers, and they're the size of full boxes. Let me pull one up here. There you go. So you can see that it is a sticker, but just a nice little bonus to include this month. And I actually see a couple of these that I don't have as journaling cards, and I would love to get them. So I may have to work on trying to locate some of those. So that's all of the stickers that we got in the kit this month, which is quite a bit. Oh, sorry, I keep moving my table. Okay, so next on the list is the engraved gel ink pen. So this month the pen is just gold. It doesn't have a pattern on it, but of course it does have Simply Gilded engraved on the cap. And it is just her regular gel pens that we get in every box. So yeah, this is just a nice general all-around pen. Okay, next is the sticky notepad. So this is the notepad that we got this month. It is a sticky note. It's that nice, beautiful pink with the white polka dots. And of course, it's got the little gold bow at the top. Next on the list is the, let's see, the B6 stitched notebook. I don't know why I always have trouble saying that. So I haven't opened it yet because I don't open these until I need them. But it's that nice gray gingham plaid. And it's got the gold accents right here with the gold bow. And on the back, it's just the plain gingham plaid with the Simply Gilded down here in gold foil. I believe these are dot grid, but I'm not 100% sure on that. So the next thing is the vellum sheets. We get 2 vellum sheets. One, of course, is basically the same print as the notebook, and it's got Fall in Love, and they are folded. These are B6 sized. And then, of course, we have this one that is the Fawned print, which is just a beautiful print. I like, see how this one's a little heart? I wonder if that was intentional or just happy circumstance. Very cute. Okay, so that the vellum sheet was the last item, but I did want to show you this. I didn't show you this in the beginning, but all of the stickers came in this cute little pouch. It's not a pouch, it's a pocket. And so it's made of nice thick cardboard, and everything fit like really nicely in it. So I think what I'm gonna do is punch holes in this and use this in my planner as just a pocket, because it's really cute, it's really well made, and I mean, why not? Okay, so that's it for all the regular items in the box. I am going to show you the mystery item right now. So if you do not want to see it and you don't want to be spoiled, please click out. For those of you that do want to see the mystery item, give me just a second. One more warning: if you do not want to see the mystery item, now is the time to click out. Thank you for watching. For the rest of you, here we go. So it came in this cute little white organza drawstring bag, and when you open it, it is this adorable scrunchie. I mean, this is so useful. My hair is actually a little short right now, but I think that this one will fit. I can get a little bit of a ponytail. I'm trying to grow it out just a little bit, but it's very well made. And it's got the cute little tails, you know, to make it look really cute when it's in your hair. So yeah, this is the mystery item this month, and I think it's perfect. Absolutely perfect. Okay, so that was this month's sub box from Simply Gilded. Let me go ahead and get everything kind of back out on the table so you can kind of get an overall picture of everything that we got this month. I mean, I feel like these boxes are jam-packed, especially compared. I was not a subscriber in the very beginning, so I missed out on the earlier boxes, but I think I have been a subscriber for a couple of years now, and we definitely get a lot more than we used to, which is so generous of Irene. And I have one more thing, which is the notebook. Okay, so yeah, so that is everything for the Fawned Memories sub box. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.